I don't even know how I found your channel. No idea.
I'm glad you did though.
Yeah.
No.
Because the weird thing is,
yeah, just stumbled across it and I was like, this is interesting.
I'm glad you came out. I'm glad you're doing this, bro. And
dude, you got me.
I wish you.
You made me drop 280 on a plane.
Hey.
From a damn YouTube video.
You're gonna enjoy the plane.
No, I know I will.
Yeah. This panel was done at the factory in South Africa. The panels that Midwest does, I don't know if you looked in the little two-place airplane over there, but that is an example of what Midwest does. It's a more beautiful panel.
It's much cleaner.
It's powder coated to the color you want. The labels, instead of being stick-on labels, they're laser etched, so they last forever. And they just do beautiful, beautiful work. And the wiring harness comes ready to lay in the airplane. You plug it in and everything works. It's outstanding.
Yeah. Like I see this particular like Sling because it's a fairly new, and that's what got me excited about it. I fell in love with it initially, but also being part of the aviation community, I see a lot of everything else. And I think Vans RV right now is like the popular name. But I'm like, when I look at the Sling I've flown in, I'm like, this plane deserves to be more out there.
You definitely put them on the map.
So I want more people to know about it, and I see more of it flying, like more pilots flying them. I think they're gonna do well. So
I have a scholarship where I take like an underprivileged kid once a year and I give them the money at our flight school to go get their license, right? So like, I'm definitely, and one thing I talked to at my flight school is like, there's a misconception about aviation that is terribly expensive and only for the elite. It's not true. It is expensive. It's like golf. It can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be.
Yeah, right.
You can go buy a used set of clubs for $200 and some golf balls and be Tiger Woods.
Right.